Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make responsive components in Figma. We will dive into the essential techniques for building designs that fluidly adjust to different screen dimensions. You'll learn to leverage Figma's powerful features, ensuring your components look great on any device. This approach will streamline your workflow and significantly enhance your design efficiency. Auto layout is your first key tool for responsiveness. It allows frames to automatically adjust their size based on their contents or to fill available space. You can set specific padding, like 24 pixels horizontally and 16 pixels vertically, and define spacing between items. This feature is crucial for creating buttons, navigation bars, and cards that adapt effortlessly. Constraints dictate how elements within a frame respond to its resizing. You can pin an object to the top left or stretch it horizontally and vertically. For example, a logo might be constrained to the top left, while a footer element stretches across the bottom. Understanding these settings, like left and right or scale, is vital for maintaining design integrity. The true power comes from combining auto layout with constraints. Nesting auto layout frames within each other, and then applying constraints to the outer frame, allows for highly sophisticated responsive components. Always test your designs by resizing the parent frame to ensure everything behaves as expected across a wide range of screen sizes, from mobile to desktop.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.